Hello students, today in this lesson we will learn about standard operating manuals, job procedures. Myself Ritik Goswami from the Department of Hospitality and Tourism Management, Assam Bandhan University. So what do we mean by a job procedure? Job procedure is nothing but the way in which a task has to be performed. Job procedure should be used during induction and training session and ought to be incorporated into the department's procedure manual. Updating job procedure is necessary as and when changes in equipment, cleaning materials and so on occur. They are most popularly called as SOPs or standard operating procedures. They are also referred to as work card or order of work documents. So job procedure is nothing but the process, the way of doing a thing. Suppose how to do a bed making, how to clean the bathroom area, how to clean the lobby area, how to clean an elevator. What are the SOP? SOP means standard operating procedures. What are the procedures, the correct way of doing that? What are the equipments you need? What are the cleaning agents you need? So this is the all detailed report, detailed standard of doing work. SOPs comprise of the following information: the job to be done. The assigned job is will be mentioned in the SOPs. Equipment and materials required. What are the equipments and materials required to do the particular task? Procedure of work. How to do the work. The way of doing this. The different technique. There are different techniques of doing different things as well as different cleaning equipments. Safety factors. There are so many safety factors have to be considered while in housekeeping because you have to deal with different types of cleaning equipments, different types of cleaning agents, different acids. So corrosive acids will be there. So you have to be very careful about that. So there should be a safety factors. What to do, what to not to do. Time required to do the job. The actual time, how many times should be taken by employee or the attendant to do the particular work also have to be mentioned in the SOPs. What is the aim of establishing SOPs? It's give the standardization. It give a standard that this is the standard to make a particular room or to make a particular bed. This is the standard you have to be mentioned. You have to be follow to help in training. It also helps in training because training they you have to know new things. So SOPs helps to learn the steps, to learn the technique of handling an equipment or cleaning agent or anything in that matter. To ensure the completion of tasks successfully, to effect a saving on cleaning equipment and agents, to prevent accidents, to help in training. So these are the factors that have to be in the SOPs, and these are the goals that establishing SOPs. So SOPs are very much essential for the housekeeping department because a proper standard should be there documented to do a particular work to ensure the completion of a task successfully. So these are the points I've already mentioned. This is repetition. So job procedure is nothing but the way the guidebook of every housekeeping personnel. How to do a cleaning work, how to do a manual work, how to do a mechanical work. Everything should be there in the SOP. Thank you so much.